The COSORI Air Fryer 9-in-1 is a game changer for anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen experience. With its innovative TurboBlaze technology, this compact yet powerful appliance delivers beyond crispy, juicy perfection in every dish. The 3,600 RPM fan speed and temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit ensure your meals are cooked evenly and quickly, saving you time on busy weekdays. Whether you're roasting, baking, or reheating, the COSORI Air Fryer promises professional-grade results with just one basket. Its sleek gray design not only looks modern, but also fits seamlessly into any kitchen decor. One of the standout features is its advanced airflow and precise temperature control, which ensures perfectly balanced textures in every bite. The 6-quart square basket offers ample space for large family meals, while its deeper and wider design maximizes cooking capacity without taking up too much counter space. Plus, with up to 95% less oil, you can enjoy your favorite fried foods guilt-free. Imagine crispy fries, golden chicken wings, or even perfectly roasted vegetables, all with a fraction of the oil used in traditional frying. The non-stick cooking basket and detachable accessories are dishwasher-safe, making cleanup a breeze. Spend less time scrubbing and more time savoring your delicious creations. The COSORI Air Fryer also excels in versatility and convenience. Its unique 5-fan speed system allows you to customize the airflow for different types of dishes, ensuring optimal results every time. The customizable preheat function is another thoughtful addition, letting you decide whether to preheat for certain recipes or skip it for a quicker start. Whether you're proofing dough, broiling a steak, or even dehydrating fruits, this air fryer handles it all with ease. Additionally, it operates at less than 53 decibels, ensuring a quieter and more comfortable kitchen environment. You won't have to worry about loud noises disrupting your cooking flow. What's more, the COSORI Air Fryer comes with a chef-created 30-recipe cookbook complete with pictures and cooking charts, making it easy to get started, even for beginners. From crispy fries to juicy roasts, this air fryer delivers exceptional results every time. It's perfect for busy families, health-conscious individuals, or anyone who loves experimenting in the kitchen. The included crisper plate ensures even cooking, while the intuitive controls make it user-friendly for all skill levels. In conclusion, the COSORI Air Fryer 9-in-1 is a must-have for any home chef. Its combination of speed, precision, and versatility makes it a standout appliance. Whether you're cooking for one or preparing a feast for the whole family, this air fryer delivers consistent, restaurant-quality results. If you're looking to elevate your cooking game, the COSORI Air Fryer is the perfect choice. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews like this. Let us know in the comments if you've tried this air fryer or if you have any questions. We'd love to hear from you.